And so if your button is white on your device, you're probably running an older version of Spike, perhaps Legacy. You might want to update it to the latest version of Spike. Go to the App Store or wherever you get your program and upload it. If you've got a green button there, then it's updated to the latest firmware. Some people have got problems when they press this Bluetooth button though, and nothing seems to be happening. They get to this stage and nothing seems to be coming on. So make sure that your hub is fully charged by having a green light there. Then unplug it and turn it off. Once it's turned off, you need to hold the power button down for more than 10 seconds. Now there's no indicator for the 10 seconds, just kind of guess about 10 seconds. And then after it's been held down for 10 seconds, take your finger off it, it'll start flashing. And while it's flashing, press it again and hold it in until you see a red color. If you miss it, just wait until the red comes back and then take your finger off when it's red. And guess what? That should be fixed now. Go into your device, press on the green option because you've updated your firmware, and then press the Bluetooth button on your hub, and hopefully on your screen you will see now that you have the option to connect. And just press connect. Now after you do connect, you'll notice that down the bottom right of your screen you'll see that it updates a while. I've sped this up a little bit, but it takes a while to update, a minute or so. And then after it's updated, you'll see now you've got a little green tick on the top of your screen where you connect, and you should be right to go. And I just ran a little bit of code and it works. So hopefully your Bluetooth will work after that. If you like that video, please subscribe and check out some of my other videos, because I've got lots of videos about Spike Prime and I intend to make lots more.